Hi, second graders. So today is the 100th day of school, and we would like to have you show us as many ways that you can come up with 100. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples. Feel free to use those or some of the other tools I'm showing you today to show how to make 100 in many different ways. So you'll see here I have some coins, I have some tens and ones blocks, and I'll also show you how you can use some of the shapes to help you. So the first thing I'm going to think of are like, okay, maybe I just want to start with a number, sentence, or an equation for making 100. Well, I know that if I have 50, right, 50, and then this is when I can use one of my shapes because there is a plus sign. Plus 50 equals, and there's another shape in here that is the equal sign, equals 100. So I can write it with my markers and do different equations to show 100. That's up to you. So you can use those symbols, and again, those are in the shapes here where the 3 dots are. Go into shapes, and then the addition sign and the equal sign is in there. So you can do different number sentences. You could also show it with your base 10 blocks. If you don't have enough, you can press the 3 dots after you click on the picture and go to duplicate, and it'll make some more. So here I have 40, so I could show 10 tens, right? And I could keep going, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I need 3 more, 8, 9, 10, and then if I want I can move those up a little bit and spread them out so it's easier to count them. Okay, so there's my 10 tens. You could also use ones, so maybe you just wanted to show 9 tens and then 10 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I could, again, press duplicate, right? And then move that over. And I could show it in a different way. There's my 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, because remember I have 10 ones here. So I can show it again with a number sentence. I can show with base 10 blocks using tens or ones. I can also use it by showing money, right? This is something that we worked on today in math. So if I wanted to show using quarters, okay, I remember that 2 quarters equals 50. So that means 50 plus 50 is 100. So that means I need 4 quarters. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's another way to show 100, 4 quarters. Well, maybe I just want to show it a different way with with all my coins, right? So if I want to do a quarter and then a dime, my dime keeps flipping for some reason, so I'll make it. So there's 20, 35, 45, 50, maybe I want to do some more tens, 60, maybe I want to do some ones. Oops. 51, 52, 53. Oops, if that ever happens, you can just move it around using these dots. 54, 55. Yeah, using those pennies is a lot, so maybe I'll go back to my dimes and my nickels. So there's 60, and then I'll just do 4 more dimes. 70, 80, 90, 100. So I could use a lot of coins to show 100. So there are many different ways that you could show. You could even do a quick draw picture with your markers if you wanted. Lots of different ways for you to show 100. You could write it in word form and actually write out the word 100. Get creative. There are lots of different ways that you could do it. So on your screen, I have some tens blocks and some money. You can always use the shapes and the markers to help you draw or write to show 4 different ways on this page, and then try another 4 on this page. Good luck and have fun!